Page 112. We're just going to talk a little bit more or practicing, over and over again with A and N. Okay, again, in this section, they kind of repeat what I'm talking about. A and N equals 1. A goes in front of A, E, I, O, U, like A, oh, N. N goes in front of A, E, I, O, U, like an apple. And then A goes in front of every other letter like B, D, F, K, like a bike. Okay, it just means 1. I'm just trying to make sure I have all of them. All right, this is a good one. Okay, this part's important. I will explain. Okay, we still want to say 1, but we're going to make a sentence. Okay, let me try to use one of perfect. We're going to talk about cars, right? I have a yellow car. Okay, it tells me 1, and I'm talking about 1 car. Sorry, my nose is itchy. And it's yellow. I have a yellow car. This one, even though it's 1, this one can change this to an. Even though we're talking about a car, this adjective can change the article to an. Because if I say, I have an orange car, it's still 1 car, but the color orange has an O. So you would have to use an. I have an orange car. So it depends on which, or let's say we're going to put both colors, right? It depends on which one you write first. There's another tricky part, right? If you say, I have a yellow and orange car. Okay, so I use A. But if I put this color first, it changes it still. I have an orange and yellow car. It's telling me I have 1, okay? But the adjective before will make sure it's either a or an. Okay? I have a yellow car. I have an orange car. I have a yellow and orange car. If you write it the other way, I have an orange and yellow car. That's how that works with a and an. So any adjective here. So the example they gave in the book a little would be, I have an ugly dress. Okay, so the adjective in front, if you're talking, you still have to put 1, you would put an. Unless you have a different word, like if you put, I have a beautiful dress, then this adjective will make it a. Okay, I hope that helps, and we will practice. Actually, let's practice some of them right now. Let's do activity 3 right now. Okay, so let's do activity 3. Okay, so it says to use a, an, or nothing. So number 1, book. What would you put? A, an, or nothing? Book. Can you count book? 1 book, 2 book? Yes, you can count it. So it's a book. If you can count, then you would use a or an. Green book. It has the adjective green, but can you still count book? 1 book, 2 book, 3 books? Yes. I have a green book. Number 3, English book. Okay. Remember, these are adjectives. Even though this is a noun, it's an adjective right here. Green is an adjective. It tells you what kind of book. What kind? Can we count books? Can we count the book? 1 book, 2 book? Yes. This is an adjective and it's English. So it would be, I have an English book. Number 4, books. Do we put a, an, or nothing? Nothing, because it's more than 1. This is not counting. Okay. Oh, here we go. This one says green books. Okay, even though this is the adjective, how many nouns do we have? Books. It could be 1 book, 2 book, 3 books. Even though there's an adjective, we put nothing. I have green books. And then I'll do number 6 because they're all pretty similar. He's going on to English books. Again, our noun, oops, they all have S. It's plural. So we would not put an English books because this is plural. So the noun is plural. We put nothing. Okay, practice the rest on your own. The answers will be on Canvas.